Is your Android phone stuck in Do Not Disturb mode and blocking calls, notifications, or sounds? Don't worry. This quick 2026 guide will show you the fastest and easiest ways to turn off Do Not Disturb on Android devices. Method 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb from Quick Settings. Fastest method. This is the quickest and easiest way to disable Do Not Disturb mode. Unlock your Android phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen using 2 fingers. You can also swipe down twice with 1 finger to fully open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Do Not Disturb icon. The icon usually looks like a circle with a horizontal line inside it. If the icon is highlighted, blue, or colored, that means the feature is currently enabled. Simply tap the icon once. After tapping, the icon should turn gray or inactive, confirming that Do Not Disturb mode is now turned off. Once disabled, your phone will start receiving calls, message alerts, app notifications, and other sounds normally again. Method 2. Disable Do Not Disturb from settings. If the Quick Settings method does not work, you can turn it off manually through the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Select Do Not Disturb. You will see a toggle switch at the top of the screen. Tap the switch to turn it off. The feature will now be disabled completely. Extra tip. Sometimes Do Not Disturb turns on automatically because of schedules or bedtime modes. Inside the same Do Not Disturb menu, check for Scheduled Routines, Bedtime Mode, Automatic Rules. Disable those options if Do Not Disturb keeps turning back on automatically. That's it. Your Android phone should now work normally without Do Not Disturb mode blocking notifications or sounds.